Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's continue with our lesson. We're doing question 8.1. In the diagram alongside, T is a hook on the ceiling of an art gallery. Points Q, S, and R are on the same horizontal plane from three people observing the hook T. So this is like the points on the ground, isn't it? And then the angle of elevation from Q to T is X. This is the angle of elevation there. QSR, this angle is equal to 90 plus X. And then QRS is equal to X. And then QR is 5 units. And TS and SQ are equal. So meaning that triangle TSQ is an what? Is an isosceles triangle. Prove that QS is 5 tan X. Right. So what do we do here? We have to find QS. Right. It is easier to use the sine rule than using the cosine rule, I think. So first of all, check if you can use the sine rule or not. Okay, when you're finding the missing sides or missing angles, check if you can find what? If you can find the missing side or find the missing angle using the sine rule or not. And then how do you check? You just need two pairs of what? An angle on the side and an angle on the side. And then amongst those two pairs, you must be having one unknown. Let's try to identify the triangle first. Let's try to identify the triangle first. So in triangle SQR, let's say in triangle SQR, these 3 points, Q, S, and R are points on the ground. Okay, this is a triangle on the ground. We want to find QS. And then we just need to identify an angle in the side, and then an angle and the side. And then amongst those two pairs of angle side, we must have one unknown. And then what I usually advise people to do is to draw these, should I call them circles? You draw something like this. You see this? This shows us that we have an angle on the side. We have an angle 90 degrees plus X and the side 5. There, 5 units, QR. You see that? And then we want QS. So QS goes with which angle? It goes with angle X there. Do you see that? And then we have our unknown, which is QS here. The other things we are given, the other 3 things we are given. So it means here we can use what? We can use the sine rule. You see that? Okay, right. So let's use our sine rule. So it's going to be QS over what? Over sine X, isn't it? QS over sine X is equal to QR over sine 90 degrees plus X. You see that? And then now we can use our co-functions here to introduce what? We can introduce cos X. So you know that sine 90 plus X is equivalent to cos X using the co-functions. Remember that, okay? Right, you have to remember those. Let me just write them here. Sine 90 plus X is equal to cos X. Just know that sine 90 minus X is equal to cos X. And then cos 90 minus X is equal to sine X. And then cos 90 plus X is equal to negative sine X. Just remember, this is the only thing that will give you negative, okay? Right, remember those. So this is cos X here. So we have QS. What is QS? QS, that's what we're looking for. Just write it as QS there. And then sine X is still sine X, is equal to QR. QR is 5 over cos X. You see that? And then what we do here, we can multiply both sides by sine x, so it becomes qs over sine x. You can skip this step, let me just show you. Like 5 over cos x times sine x. Then sine x divided by sine x is 1. So, but you can skip this step. Just go straight to qs is equal to 5 sine x over cos x. So you can see that qs here, this is tan x, this is tan x. So it's equal to 5 tan x. Okay, done. So we're going to meet when you do question 8.